file here. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it was the CAD file is really very huge, so you have to forgive me. My laptop here is kind of slow. The one that they gave us was really huge, so I did a rectangle here. I removed the other contours, the other buildings, so we just concentrate on this particular area. Okay. So we will study the CAD file first and before importing. So I appreciate the one who did this kay kasagaran no maghimo slag mga layers dili jud mao. So you have here the science building which is under the layer structure and the contours here which is under contour MNR, and there's also one contour. Actually there are two contours here, MNR and MJR, so I assume minor and major contours. And what else? You have the DP, which is the detention pond, which is very important. We want that as well as the road. So we have a road here, and we have the pathway. Okay, so these are the elements that we want to. This one, the pathway or the sidewalk layer, and also the trees. No, these are the major elements that we want to import. Maybe the chapel can also do that. So this is a DWG file. Then let's just look at the isometric view. So let's look at the front view in 3D space. So yes, it is in 3D. Okay. Now the distance between two contours, I'm not sure. I have to change the UCS here to change and check the distance, but I think this is around 3 to 5 meters. So let's open Revit. So muna gibuhat ng ganina. Hindi naman siya. Okay. So let's start all over again. Let's open Revit and still loading. This is also the scout. Where is it? The sketch of file is not there. Come on, Jude.
Got you dyan na file, sir.
Dili ang computer hinay. Sa computer na balay mo kusok-kusok. Okay, dara. So check the unit first, no? So ang AutoCAD file, the units here is meters. So just want to be sure that magkapareha na sila nag-import na po sa DWG file. Okay. So insert, import CAD. So this is the file that I did. And let's go to site. Then let's go to, let's open 3D view as well. Okay, so it's right there. Okay. So let's go back to site. Or 3D view, sa kasara na mo create ram na massing. So massing and site, purple surface. So let's create from import and select import instance. So select lang ni siya. When magawa siya murag table, no? Kung which is the contour here. So check none. So kani siya ang duha ang kailangan ng import. So still processing, and so that's it. Kung na-detect ka niya, then click on check mark. So there you go. There's your site. Okay. Then on the bottom part is your mga reference mo, mga rows or the other buildings. Shaded view. So one is here. Now, how do you place the roads here or other markers that you want? So let's go back to Warframe. Then let's go to site, siguro. Okay. Now, we'll go to Warframe for the meantime because I want to see the roads underneath. Okay, let's turn off the other layers that we don't need. So BG, imported categories, then let's open this. We'll uncheck the rest. Oops. Uncheck that. Okay, what do we need to turn on? So road, a sidewalk, road, and the structure, which is the science building. So ito, structure. Okay, so kana lang sa. So we have the structures here. We have the road. So I'm just going to make a partial road here. Okay? So I don't need to make all of this. So guidelines na ninyo. So under massing and site, you go to subregion. Then you select or go to the option of pick lines because this will be your guide. Okay? So you don't need to trace that using line pick line. So let's start here. So make sure that your road is closed, okay, end to end. Okay, kung dili siya or kanang selection nimo close na siya, kay mo error na siya. So kana lang siya na portion because we don't have time. So make sure it is closed. Click on check mark. Then go to 3D view na namong road diri. Okay, so even though ang imong gitrace nasa ubos, mo generate ka po na sa ibabaw. So this is your road and this is your contour. So let's do that again one more time. This is the pathway. Okay, so let's try. By the way, if you want to, if you notice, if I select this, okay, ang paghimo na kuan ni is, I can say that. Once I create this object, once I select this will not be selected if I created the pathway. Let me show you. I create another subregion. I exit and create another subregion specifically for this pathway only. Because, where is it? I want them to be made of different materials. So, yeah, let's say. Okay, click on check mark. Okay, so this is my road, which I created earlier. I exited and created this pathway. Ayaw idungan. Okay, okay, kung idungan nimo, for example, you want to place a material for this, ma-appeal ni siya. Okay, so road, tanan paghimo ninyo. So I'm not sure if I'm making any sense. So where is it? So it's here. Okay, so that's your road. You can go and material. So let's say asphalt. So asphalt na siya. And this guy, this is a pathway. You can place a different material for this. What material you want? Concrete, example. Let's say, yeah, concrete. Okay, sure.
Preloaded naman isa sa Revit, sir, no?
Materials? Oh, na naman. Of course, you can change the color for this. Kibaw naman na sila sa So, ang katong mga structures, let's go to site. Mo gyapon. Example, this is the science building. So, we will need to create this, then place it here on top, no? But we should know what is the level this science building is on. Okay, di matapatakang butang. So that's the time we go to AutoCAD. Come on, okay. Let's try to check. Okay, basically this contour here. So I'm opening the properties command here on my left side. So this contour here is on the elevation of 46 meters. So I assume si science building na patong somewhere na rin sa 46 meters. So let's go back to Revit and let's go to the south. Let's make an elevation or level here. Okay. So kani si level. Okay, level 0 from kani level 0 man ni siya pero putangan na siya 46. Level 2. Let's say pila may height sa science building. Pila naka stories? 2 stories man ano?
Murag, ako i-check, sir.
Hindi mo 2 stories. So let's say pila may height niya from 46, let's say 55. Example man ang height niya.
2 stories siya sa front, sir, niya. 4 stories siya sa back, sa rear. Okay. Mulaw man siya pasulod.
Mula. Pero we're just making a massing of the science building. That's it.
Yeah.
Di man na kailangan accurate. So let's say from 46 to 55 meters siguro. Let's say kana lang sa. So mo nang height niya. So dara si science building ari then saka siya dire. So let's go to site. Okay. So we're gonna trace this a portion lang ha. So architecture himo lang tag wall. So ang wall na to mo start from level 1. Top constraint is level 2. Okay, level 1 to level 2. Alright. Height, level 1. Okay. Pick lines lang yapon. Okay na naman tayo lines nire. Uy. Okay, now the elements can be seen. That's okay. Okay, so diha lang sa ta. So let's assume na diha ang wall. Okay, what happened? Where is it? So, dire, no? Pagpantango ng uban. We'll hide this for the meantime. Okay, there it is. Napahak.
Nice.
So, asa mo ito napahak? Basta, himo ra kong portion na class. No? Let's do that again. Pick walls. Okay. Okay, something like that. So, kamo na lang isumpay na. Then, if you want to place the roof, okay, where's it? Okay, there, nakita na to. So, let's try to trim this. Okay. Place the roof. Roof. Okay, yes. Okay, okay, be careful. So select lang the pick walls. Kaya naman tayo walls. So pick walls. Then no slope. So let's pretend na flat roof na siya. Pretend lang. Yeah. So na kay reference. Of course, ipadayon na ninyo mo. You have the complete science building there. Then what else? You have the chapel here, diba? Let's go to site. Where's the chapel? Okay, here. At least na may reference. So let's try to create this. Let's go to level 1. Okay, again, go back. Asa man si chapel kapatong. So, that's the nearest contour, I think. Kani, I think. So, kani siya. So level elevation 50, no? So direta. So arita sa south maghimo tag level architecture level. Okay, level. Ato lang siya i-select. Okay, offset is 4 meters. Okay, 50 man. Where are you? Okay, 50. So mali si chapel. So let's go back to this is level 3. Actually level 3 na siya. But of course you can rename that. Okay, let's go to level 3 and where's the chapel? Okay, let's go to site na lang para makita. Okay, it's right here. So wall, we'll start at level base constraint is level 3. Then pila may height may unconnected lang o takibaw. Let's say
Mga 3 stories? 2 stories na, sir?
total mga 6 meters.
Mm.
Okay, wall center line. So pick lang gyapon ta ato ning sundo na lang. Okay. Or na may circle diri ano maglisod-lisod man so circle lang ta. Maka-detect mo sa circle dili pick lines ita. Kalagutan na ko ani kay ang paghimo man kunya sa lines sa AutoCAD hatch kuan ko ni siya dash lines mauna siya naputol-putol. So ang suggestion nako i-edit sa top muna nimo before na may import.
For one shape lang.
Okay. Dash line man nawa. Diba? Kung polyline pa na dali ra na siya. Okay. Where's it? What happened? Where's my chapel? Okay, there it is.
Brag na-off siya gamay.
There's a 50 man ka siya.
I think on to, sir, maybe 59 or 50 something.
Ang base na ko na level 3.
Level 1 pa din.
Oh. Connect all. Ang base niya is level 3. Ang top niya unconnected. Yung di mo siya musaka. Musaka siya ba?
Ni Saka siya, sir, pro lubong pagyapon siya. I think
Lubong siya. I think sa iyo to ko.
I think we're
Hindi siya
60 or 70 siguro.
Ito kay Bo pila mo gud. Let's select. Siya rin. Kami pinakadool.
Kana, sir, na 59.37. Mo kana.
59?
Kanang na gamay na label above the chapel. It said
So
59.
So where do I go? Sa south. Usbo na pa ito. Kanin? 59? So let's say 60 na lang.
60 na lang para sirado.
Sunod na
nagawas na siya.
Okay. Doble na ako. Di. Okay, so something like that, no? At least nagpatong na. Pero, let's select all of this. Then, attach top to base. Let's say mo attach pa siya sa contour. I-attach pa. Wala dyan. So, kamo ni mag-base ani class, no? Then, or na. Actually, ang gibuhat yun ako nang himo na lang yung circle eh. Dili lang ba masing na bitaw na.
Yeah.
Diba? Let's try to do it again. Okay, perfectionist kita. So, ito. Level 3.
All good.
Level 3. Kari na lang ko niya. I-adjust lang ako. O ano na lang.
Mm.
Diba? Okay. Oh, ano lang sa to? Ano yung lubong mo
There,
sa to?
gyapon. I think it keeps like putting it sa level 1, sir.
Oh, no? Should be there.
Mm.
So, level 3 ta. And place the roof. Masing naman siya. So, roof. So, ang roof, andiin sa man, circular gyapon, I think. So, pick wall.
Mm.
Pick wall. Then, marag naman ito lungags to nga siguro. Punta pila na. Kasi 6 meters.
Ano na?
Ataka lang nagsimuan. Okay,
It's
nasaka.
okay na, masing naman, sir.
Asa nga ito niya? Base is 6 meters.
6, yes.
Oh.
Na.
Oh. Okay, level 3 na sa naghimuan tag. Kasa naman to. Range level is pan. Look up. Okay, matag wall.
Mm.
Pick lines na. Iyoy, nasayop ko. Okay, kaning wall. Ang height niya, say 12. Sapan dito sa architect ani.
Okay, sir, muna masing.
Tingnan natin, di ba?
Mm.
Mura na. Anyway, mura to. Sobraan na nila tutorial sa roof.
Oh, good.
Para to class. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir. Maski ako, di mo kibawa na. So, gamit kayo niyo para nako po.
Oh, pas-pas pang siya. Ano?
Mm. So, those who are having slow computers, so mga yan alam mo advanced Christmas gifts sa inyong parents.